I know, I'm not exactly Ellevest's target audience. It's a platform designed specifically for women, but that's exactly why I wanted to check it out. I wanted to see if the hype is real, if the features actually make a difference, and whether it's worth recommending to the women in my life who are building their financial future. But after digging into the latest updates and how the service is evolving, I kept asking, is Ellevest still worth considering, or is it shifting beyond its original mission? Until this year, Ellevest functioned as a goal-focused robo-advisor, with no account minimums and a flat monthly fee of around $12. It offered diversified portfolios, goal planning, auto-rebalancing, and a user experience tailored with women's financial realities in mind, such as planning for career breaks or retirement longevity. On top of that, users could tap into a crew of female financial advisors, sign up for educational workshops, and build plans around life goals like home buying, business starts, or family needs. This made it feel personal and empowering. Late in the year, Ellevest announced it would be transferring its automated investing business to Betterment, with the transition happening around April. Moving forward, Betterment will handle those robo-invested client accounts. Meanwhile, Ellevest is pivoting to focus on high-net-worth wealth management and financial planning services for clients with over $500,000 in assets. If you're a client with mid-tier assets or someone committed to personalized planning tailored to women's needs, Ellevest now offers dedicated wealth management with thoughtful planning around career transitions, gender-focused financial gaps, and strategic retirement advice. Their advisors are fiduciaries, and most hold CFP or CFA credentials. Their pricing has shifted muscles too. For private wealth clients under $1 million, fees are around 1.25% annually, dropping to 1% between $1 million, and then charging between 0.25% up to 0.95% for portfolios above that. NerdWallet, that's higher than typical robo-platforms, but reflects personalized attention and planning for affluent investors. Ellevest's automated digital-first robo-advisor, once their main entry point has been retired from new users. Tools like automatic investing accounts, portfolio dashboards, and traditional robo-planning are now being fully handled by Betterment. That means if you were hoping to get started with Ellevest for passive investing, you'll need to explore Betterment or another robo-platform. Ellevest continues to deliver thoughtful, personalized wealth planning, but it's no longer a robo-platform for everyday investors. If you're in the market for a robo-advisor, Betterment is now your go-to. But if you're aiming for tailored planning aligned with women's financial realities and available to higher-tier clients, Ellevest remains a compelling option. Just know the experience has shifted, and the audience has narrowed. If this review got you clarity, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the most important feature you look for in a wealth advisor? I'd love to help you find your perfect match next time.